All right, so we have our DEWALT TSTAK box here. This one's great. Wheels, extendable handle, TSTAK clips. Stack all your boxes on top of these. Works out great. This is something I use every day. I do a lot of installation work, so these boxes come in really handy, especially if you're going into buildings, high-rise buildings, businesses, apartment complexes, whatever it might be. Having the wheels, game changer. So basically, I'll show you how this works. So you're going to get your metal latches here on the front, open up our box here, and you're going to get a tray, and I'll kind of show you inside of here what I carry. Kind of get down in there. So I got the old DEWALT drill. I keep everything in like boxes in here, keep everything organized. 12 inches deep, 18 inches wide, holds everything you need to. And if it doesn't, I'll show you how you handle that by stacking another box on top of it. So let me get back over here in front of the camera and show you how great these boxes are. Close this back up. So first of all, if you need to carry more than this, you get your other DEWALT TSTAK box, line it up here. Click those in, and just like that. So let me show you. I got some basic stairs here. We get our handle up. So basically, you're coming down the stairs. Like if you're going down the stairs, you know, these boxes are great just to push forward, kind of let them roll down the stairs. They're a good sized wheel for that. And if you're coming up, just pull that up right behind you. Works out great. But you can see how nice these stack on each other. I've had them for years, no problems with them. They hold up great. And you know, you can just stack and stack and stack all your TSTAK compatible boxes on top of these, and really works out great. So real easy to undo them. That there. Clips this back, put your handle down. Real nice. One push button, up, push down. So these boxes are great. Absolutely love them. DEWALT's one of my favorite brands, so stand behind their products because they stand behind me. They hold up, and these things are awesome. Great box.